Hi, my name is Kortney Olsen, and I'm the CEO of Girl Clothing. I'm also known as the woman with the world's deadliest thighs. You might have seen me around the internet crushing watermelons or other inanimate objects. But I get to say that I'm the CEO of Girl Clothing today because of PSYCH-K. In fact, I still have this on my wall. This is from my beginner workshop 8 years ago. And it sits right here to serve as a reminder of how much power I have as an individual and how much I have available to me to help other people to facilitate change in their lives. So when I worked with Ian 8 years ago, he said, "Are you sure you're ready for this? Because I've never seen it not work." And I said, "I'm ready." And sure enough, after doing the basic workshop, a month later, we launched. And we launched because you may have watched or remember there was this little fight between Ronda Rousey and Holly Holm at the end of 2015 in the UFC. And we sponsored Holly Holm 3 weeks before that fight. And it was one of the biggest upsets in UFC history. And I truly believe that this process in PSYCH-K is what attributed to that success. So today, 8 years on, I'm living a life beyond my wildest dreams and was so inspired by the power of PSYCH-K that I became a master facilitator myself years later. So to have this tool in my back pocket, because I work directly with teenage girls who are self-harming, I work in the sober and addiction community, I work in a lot of spaces where helping people unlock their potential and changing their beliefs and relieving stress is needed. And I found PSYCH-K to be the most effective, practical, fastest modality to access out of everything else that was out there. There's a place for everything, and I looked at NLP, I looked at EMDR, I looked at hypnosis, but at the end of the day, in my research, PSYCH-K proved to be the most obtainable, affordable, effective modality available. And here we are. I cannot recommend Ian enough. He is one of the greatest instructors. He's a true OG, meaning he's been around since its inception for quite some time, and really brings a breath of fresh air to the process. Highly, highly, highly recommend. And I truly believe that every guidance counselor, doctor, police person should have this as a tool in their back pocket because it is a game changer.